15, Sergeant Figueroa, Officer Harold Milne. We'll be out at ShopRite for a serial shoplifter on the inside. I believe loss preventation's already out with him.
Please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications.
Hello. I got you. Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, the 3 parties were
up there,
there.
do what we gotta do.
2 males walking
Get
up.
him out of here. Hello. How are you? Hello. Can you let us in? Thank you. Thank you. What's up, bud? That's the McDonald's guy, the manager. Don't know what he's doing now. It's close. Hello. How's everybody doing?
Fine.
What do we got?
$154 Oxtail.
Okay.
154. This is IG. Station clock.
Are we?
Oh yeah, all you gotta do is just sign the trespass form and you good to go.
All right, and you're pursuing charges? Okay.
Can you hear me?
Boss, just do me a favor?
Yeah.
Just hang up that phone
Can
real
I
quick.
just finish making
I
this
just
call?
need you to hang up. Please. Do you have who's that on the phone?
My baby mama.
Okay. Why do you need her?
I'm just letting her know what's happening.
Okay.
You guys have a child together?
Yeah.
How old?
She's 8.
Okay. And she's taking care of the child right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just answer it. I'll talk to her real quick.
Yeah.
Because I'm just going to let her know what's happening. It'll be done in 2 seconds. What's your name?
Wait a second. No, never mind. My daughter picked up.
Okay. I just need you to also take that bag off of me, please. Yeah, I got you. All right, want to stand up for us, please? There you go. I'm going to take this watch off for you.
All right.
Actually, take that off for me. Take that watch off for me. I don't want to hurt you. Appreciate it. You got anything on you that I need to know about? Guns, drugs, knives, needles, anything that's gonna hurt me, anything that's gonna hurt you?
Folding knife in the little pocket.
This one?
Yeah, the little pocket.
In the little pocket,
Yeah.
though. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Any reason why you carrying around a pocket knife?
For work.
Work and stuff. Okay. What do you do for a living? Listen, this is gonna be an easy process, okay? We're gonna bring you up to headquarters. We're gonna do our paperwork. We're gonna get you processed. We're gonna, depending on if you have any warrants and you know your history and stuff. When was the last time you were arrested?
Couple months.
Couple months.
Yeah.
Do you remember what it was for?
It was like trespassing or something.
Trespassing. Yeah. Well, he has some needles in here.
Yeah.
You're a user, my man?
Yep.
Not to. We're just gonna make sure we know what's going on.
They're on there
When was the last time you used?
yesterday.
Yesterday. What do you need this for?
Work.
Spread your legs for me, please. Like I said, you got nothing on you, right? It's gonna hurt me.
Yep. That's it.
Drugs.
Nope. Negative.
We're gonna be turning your phone off for the time being, okay? So, obviously, depending on your criminal history, depending on if you have any warrants, we're gonna do the paperwork, and that'll determine whether you go to the county jail tonight or not, okay?
Then when we get over there, I'll be able to call you.
I just want to make sure that your daughter's okay, so we'll be able to give you a call for that sense. But it's to make sure that your baby mother is with your child.
I just wanted to make her aware of what's happening.
Okay.
Okay. I'm supposed to have
Okay.
Okay.
Then if that's the case, then yes, we'll let you make a phone call. Yeah, I got you.
Give me the case number.
I got you.
Good.
250. Can I get a case on that?
Oh, sorry, I didn't know you had a cash in there. I'm gonna seal it back up in there, and we're gonna count it all at headquarters, okay?
26571. 26571.
26571.
26571?
Yep.
If you have this cash, why didn't you use it, man?
Not really.
It's not real? That's what I figured. Yeah. That's
Good
not.
thing I didn't use it.
Alright. Okay.
You okay?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you. You give him the 2.5?
I didn't tell him.
Alright. Alright, we'll have one mail till 2.5.
Most likely I'm going to the county. You think that'll happen fast? They got it fast?
I'm a pretty quick typer. We'll see what we can do for you.
We're not miracle workers, but we'll do the best we can.
Yeah, so she don't like to sort of
I didn't
flavor.
know they have it in here.
Oh, this one.
You got that one? That one's different.
Yeah, I got you.
Good?
Yeah, good one. Seatbelt. Oh. All right.
You all right?
All right, 15 starting mileage. 49534.1.